This year we celebrate the 35th anniversary of another event that happened in space. It was not on the moon, but I think it was a very important moment, political. It was this meeting between Apollo and Soyuz in the Cold War. This famous meeting above Metz in France, the 17th July 1975, where the 3 astronauts of USA met the 2 cosmonauts of Russia. For this, we have a limited edition of 1975 pieces with special features that I would like to show you now. So here we have this special Speedmaster Moonwatch to celebrate this fantastic moment in history. First of all, on the back, you see the meeting point above Metz. We stamped the 2 space stations with the name in English of the astronauts and in Cyrillic for the cosmonauts, and we blackened. It's stamped and blackened. On the dial is really specific because it's a meteorite. A meteorite that was found in Namibia, and we had to develop a process to cut meteorite. It's iron and nickel. So what we did, we had to cut like you cut bread, a small part of the meteorite. After we had to angle where you have the little minutes of the chronograph, we had to give the angle to have the same shape as the dial of the Moonwatch, the original Moonwatch. After we blackened totally the dial, and we came and again of the sub-dials we had to take a tooling to take away the color of the meteorite, and so you have the original color of the meteorite, this gray silver color. So what is great, I think, on this stone that came from the universe is that you will not have one exact same dial. All the dials, every dial is unique. On this limited edition, we added sapphire crystal instead of the hazelite crystal we usually have on the Moonwatch. It's particularly to better see this fabulous meteorite, and also to give a better glance to the watch. If you have a hazelite glass, that is very fine to go in a capsule if you go to the moon, but for today's lecture I think a sapphire glass shows you better the elements you have on the dial.